Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're in, select the Netflix profile whose recommendations you want to change. Once signed in, go to Account and open Profile and Parental Controls for that profile. Next, click Viewing Activity to see what Netflix uses to suggest shows. You'll remove unwanted items and add clear signals by rating or rewatching preferred content. This immediate action starts shifting your algorithm. It tells Netflix which genres and actors to prioritize. Make sure you're using the correct profile, so changes only affect. Now take detailed action. Scroll your viewing activity and remove shows that mislead recommendations. Hit the remove or hide icon next to each title. Once done, return to the home page and mark titles as not interested or give a thumbs down to push the algorithm away from those types. Conversely, rate shows you enjoy or watch similar content to strengthen positive signals. These combined steps refine the middle of the process, reshaping future search suggestions over multiple sessions. Finish by forcing an update. Sign out and back in, or clear browser Netflix cookies to refresh cached recommendations. Then give the system 24 to 48 hours to reprocess your viewing activity. Recommendations and search suggestions aren't instant. If results still don't match expectations, check profile maturity and playback settings that may restrict or skew suggestions. One key troubleshooting tip: if a title keeps appearing, remove it from viewing history again and mark not interested. Repeated signals will make the algorithm stop suggesting it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.